Today we are going to discuss the important question of current affair. Hello friends, I am Vijay and you are watching Current Study. If this video is useful for you, please like, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Let's start today's first question. World Art Day marks the birthday of which artist? Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Jackson Pollock, Leonardo da Vinci. Correct option is option D, Leonardo da Vinci. The World Art Day is observed at 15 April every year in the honor of the Leonardo da Vinci. Here we are talking about the important day. So we will revise the important days from last month to till month one by one. 1 March Zero Discrimination Day, 3 March 2 days are observed, World Wildlife Day, World Hearing Day, 4 March World Safety Day, 7 World Medicine Day, 14 Pi Day, 15 World Consumer Day, 18 Ayush Foundation Day, 20 2 days are observed, National Sparrow Day and Happiness Day, 21 International Forest Day, 22 International Water Day, 23 Sacrifice Day, 24 World Tuberculosis Day, 27 World Theatre Day, 30 Rajasthan Foundation Day, 31 International Transgender Day of Visibility, 1 April 3 days are observed, Fool's Day, Odisha Foundation Day, RBI Day, 2 April World Autism Awareness Day, 3 April World Hindi Theatre Day, 4 April International Day of Mine Awareness, 5 April 2 days are observed, World Maritime Day and International Day of Conscience, 6 April 2 days are observed, World Athlete Day and Mahavir Jayanti Day, 7 April World Health Day, 10 April 3 days are observed, World Homeopathy Day, Shivling Day and Good Friday, 12 April Motherhood Day, 13 April Jallianwala Bagh Massacres, 14 April Bhimrao Ambedkar Remembrance Day, 15 April Art Day, 18 April World Heritage Day is observed. These are the important days. Next question. Which state has launched a project Smile? Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab. Correct option is option B, Rajasthan. The objective of Smile project is order to ensure that the continuity of teaching and learning is not hampered. The object of Smile stands for social media interface. Here we are talking about the state Rajasthan. So the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur and Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot and Governor is Kalraj Mishra. State animal camel and chinkara. State bird Great Indian Bustard. National park is Mukundra National Park, Desert National Park and Keoladeo Ghana National Park. Ranthambore National Park is important national park and the important dams are Bisalpur Dams which is built at Banas River and Rana Pratap Sagar Dams which is built at Chambal River and Javai Dams which is built at Javai River. These are the important facts. Next question. Which bank has launched a safety grid campaign for social distancing? Option A, ICICI, ADB, HDFC, RBI. Correct option is option C, HDFC. The safety grid campaign has been launched by the HDFC. So the full form of HDFC is H means housing, D means development, F means finance, C means corporation. Means when we merge it, housing development Finance Corporation. This has been done to assist people in the maintaining and prescribed social distancing by the WHO. Here we are talking about the bank HDFC. So the important fact related with HDFC is the foundation take place 1994 and the headquarter is in Mumbai, and about ICICI Bank, the foundation is take place June 1994 and the headquarter is also in Mumbai. And about RBI, the foundation is take place 1 April 1935 in Kolkata and the headquarter is Mumbai. About ADB Bank, Asian Development Bank, foundation 19 December 1966 and the headquarter is in Philippines. Next question. Abba Kyari has died from COVID-19. From which country did he hail from? Pakistan, Nigeria, Iraq, Oman. Correct option is option B, Nigeria. Abba Kyari, the Chief of Staff of Nigeria, died from COVID-19 2020. He was the Chief of Staff of Nigeria's President Muhammad Buhari. Here we are talking about the Nigeria. So the capital of Nigeria is Abuja and the currency is Naira and the president is Muhammad Buhari. Next question. Which organization has partnered with India for the use of National Polio Surveillance Network? UNICEF, WHO, IMF, none of these. Correct option is option B, WHO. The World Health Organization and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare steered a systematic engagement of WHO National Polio Surveillance Network to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. Here we are talking about the WHO. So the foundation take place of WHO is 7 April 1948 and the headquarter is Geneva, Switzerland. Next question. Which state has launched CGHAAT website? Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh. Correct option is option B, Chhattisgarh. The portal CGHAAT.in has been developed by Chhattisgarh government agency CHIPS. The service available free of charge to the vendors. Here we are talking about the Chhattisgarh. So the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel and the Governor is Ansuya Uike. State animal Wildwater Buffalo and the state bird is Common Hills Maina and the national park is Indravati National Park, Kanger National Park and Sanjay National Park, and the important dams are Gangrel Dams which is built at Mahanadi River and Dudhwa Dams which is built at Mahanadi River, Hasdev Dams which is built at Hasdev River and Marumsilli Dams which is built at Silari River. Next question. In April 2020, who has been appointed to the White House Advisory Council to combat the disease in USA? Option A, Mink Honda. Option B, Mark Puken. Option C, Ro Khanna. Option D, none of these. Correct option is option C, Ro Khanna. Here we are talking about the country America. So the capital of America is Washington DC and the currency is American dollar and president is Donald Trump. This was the last question. We will meet you next day with new question and answer that. Namaskar.